Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't been uploading for quite a long time. But anyway, if you're new here, my name is Joanne, and I do like unboxing videos and I do like hauls and that sort of thing. And yes, so let's just get into it. Today I'm going to be unboxing, I think it's a Roccabox. So that is what I'm going to be doing, and I can't find my scissors. So I will just use anything I can to open this box. Now Roccabox is £10 a month and £3.95 postage packaging or something like that. I will put it on the screen what the price is. And this one is the November box. Super nice. Look at that. I quite like it. There we go. It's the basic Roccabox design. And yeah, so let's just get into it. So it comes like that. You'll see it. Oh, I just dropped a piece of information. And there is the leaflet. I don't want to see the leaflet yet because I don't want to know what goodies is in this box. Right, we will just pull out something and let's just see what we have got. Oh, we have got a complete dry eye relief. I was looking at these the other day because sometimes I do get dry eyes, and there we go. So that is them, and they were like about £3.50. So it looks quite good. This one is the Sustain Lubricant Eye Drops. Complete Optimal Dry Eye Relief. It protects all layers of the tear film and soothes and hydrates and restores. So it's doctor recommended brand. It is 10ml and it is by Alcon, and this is like, so it's the all-in-one eye drop for all types of dry eye. It delivers a nano-sized lipid droplets across the eye to help to soothe and hydrate. So it's already quite good. It's sounding like it's going to be like something I'm going to be able to use. Well, I will probably use it because you do need to look after your eyes as well as everything else. So yeah, that's a pretty good item. And the fact is I've seen it in the shops. It means it's like super cheap to buy as well, so you can repurchase it. So okay, so then the next item is a dirty itch. So I don't know what this is. It's a unicorn cosmetic. So this is like, oh, it's a cleaner. Your hands up if you spend all the spare time cleaning brushes. So is this like a brush cleaner? Yes, it is. It's a brush cleaner. So that will actually come in quite handy for cleaning eyeshadow brushes. So I do quite like these ones because these ones is you can put your fingers in them and just like swirl your brushes underneath the tap using them. Pretty good like that. And then the next item what we have got is, I'm just wondering what this is. It's like Love, Beauty and Planet. Oh, I see these in Superdrug and they're always quite tempting to me, so that looks quite good. Love, Beauty and Planet. So it's a shea butter sandalwood. This is a majestic moisturizing shower gel and it's 100% vegan for indulgent, nourishing acts of love for all the planet. So let's just have a little, this is it here. Oh, it smells lovely. It smells really coconutty and refreshing. That's like really nice. It's like a nice tropical scent. It's like really is nice. I do like that. So that is like a really nice shower gel, so that's nice. I like that. Then the next item what I'm seeing in here, which I'm going to pull out, is this looks like to be like a little sample perfume. There's sometimes they put them in these boxes, and this is the Kirin Essential Sky. So this one is the Kirin Essential Sky one, and Oh wow, that is definitely a nice clean scent. It has a scent of like a cucumber scent, and it's just nice. A cucumber, a light scent, I would say that one is, but really, really nice. I would say you could use that one all day and every day. So yeah, that is like a one that I would use all day, every day. But it has a scent of, it's like it's supposed to be lemon. Oh yeah, I can definitely smell the lemon. It's like a lemony cucumber sort of scent, but now it's really lemony and it's so nice. That is like, yeah, a win-win situation. I will buy that for myself for Christmas, a full bottle of that, because I do like it. It's nice. So yeah, you know I like that when I say I buy a full bottle of it. Yeah, well, I'm going to treat myself this Christmas. It's good to do that. And so we have got a Style eyeshadow palette, which is there, and this is like the autumn colours, and really is pretty colours. It's like browns and oranges and all of them type of colours that you're going to want over the winter months. Super nice. I do like them. It's just, so I'm just going to swatch a few here, and this one, don't know where you see it, but there it is, which is, I used that one. Then the next one, which I'm going to use, which is the brown one, and super pigment. Oh wow, look at those colours. That is a really nice pigmented colour. And yeah, so I don't want to spend too much time, but they are really nicely pigmented, and there we go. It is by Style Velvet Touch. They are really nice. I do like them. So we got them. Then the next item, what we got is, this box goes on and on and on forever. It's like a really good box. So it's a Love Daily Moisturizer that makes me glow. So it's a gradual tanning one, and I'm not going to put that on because I don't want to tan yet. So there it is. And it's like gradual tan in every body lotion that gives a hint of colour. So no, I'm not going to put that on because I just don't want to tan yet. Right, okay, so this one is a cranberry and apple. So it's a cranberry and apple tissue. Oh, it's cranberry and apple sheet mask. My top is dropping off, which is just there. You'll see it. I do like this packaging. It really is nice. It's like a Christmassy sort of festive feel look to it. It really is. And with the cranberry and apple, I would say that would be nice on a Christmassy, Christmassy winter night, just putting on your face mask, watching Love Actually or watching one of the Christmas movies, and it's probably going to smell like cranberries as well, so that will make you get into the festive mood for the festive season. So how nice would that be? Yeah, I could just imagine it, watching Love Actually, hot chocolate, and snuggled up on the couch, and that's the drift of it. Face mask, maybe, and a nice film. Okay. Oh, The Holiday. That's a quite good Christmas movie as well for this type of stuff. Yeah. Yeah, let me know what your favourite holiday Christmas movie is in the comments down below. So there we go. And moving on swiftly to... Oh, we've run out of items, finally. So, okay, so let's just use this card and let's just see what we actually got. So it says, hey ladies, it's the last month of autumn, but the beginning of a new adventure. Take risks and thrive. This month we're focusing on keeping warm, keeping relaxed, keeping your spirits high, despite the weather regularly letting us down. That's why this month we added a little extra product for you to soothe your eyes. I thought they had done that. yeah, I thought they had added an extra product because we got quite a bit actually in this one. So we're going to start off with the first item that they've got on here, which is this is the B-Tan It's Love Gradually Tan Body Moisturiser, and this is like a whopping £12.99. So that is the price of this box there. So good item. And then the next item what we got is the cranberry and apple sheet mask. Now this one is £4.99, and it says the change in seasons look awesome on Instagram, but the reality is the new cold weather leaves your skin lacking in essential moisturizers. This cranberry and apple sheet mask uses triple layer technology to lock in moisturizer, increasing absorption to the skin after 15 minutes of relaxation. This is a vitamin C focused mask, and so yeah, it will help to brighten and nourish and add some antioxidants and some protection, and it's also vegan, which is dreamy, which is quite good. Yeah, it's vegan. So then the next item what we got is this one, which is, I like the scent of this. This is like a coconutty tropical sort of scent, and I just love it. So this one is the Love Beauty Planet Majestic Moisturising Shower Gel. So it says, who doesn't love knowing what whilst indulgent in luxurious soapy suds, smelling of hydrating shea butter and a creamy Australian sandalwood, that their never new favourite shower gel is both ethically sourced and made from 100% recycled materials, meaning it is also 100% recyclable after use. So this one is the travel size, and this one is £5.99. And did I tell you the sheet mask was £4.99? I think I did. Right, okay, so then we're moving on to this item, which is the Style London. I thought it was the Style London one, which is Style London Hypnotic eyeshadow palette. This is £9.99, and this is full sized. So that was, so really we got like two full sized items in here, which is like coming in at £22.99. Really good value. So the perfect way to complement your chunky knits is a classic brown smoky eye with a flick of metallic copper. For extra fabulousness, the 9-pan eyeshadow palette is the perfect blend of rich autumn browns and high shine golds. Boasting a long-lasting formula, the Style London palette is also paraben and cruelty free, which is good. And then I'm going to move on to this one, which I have put somewhere and probably lost it. So this is the Urban Cosmetics, the Dirty Bitch Cleaner. So this one is £5, and it says, hands up if you've gone longer than a month without cleaning your foundation brushes. Have all been there, but a new month brings time for change. Simply place in the palm of your hands and let the 4 different textured surfaces do all the work for you. Not only will your brushes thank you, but it will be good for your skin. Okay, so that is that. Oh, there it is there. I have it. So yeah, it's really textured, and I do like it. It's got like 4 different textures on it. So then we're going to move on to this one, which is the Style Stain eyeshadow. No, it's not eyeshadow. Eye drops. This one is £15.49. Sorry for that. I just had to disappear for a couple of minutes because my son wanted me for something. Right, so we were on with this one, weren't we? The one I was showing you before, which is this one, which is, if I get my card right, it is the Sustain Dry Eye Relief Drops. This is like £15.49. It mustn't have been the same one that I saw, because I did see one in Superdrug and it wasn't £15.49, but we'll see if it's any good. This month we decided to treat you all to an extra product that we can't live without. In the windy weather, combating all 3 types of dry eyes, these drops will help to soothe and hydrate and restore, providing fast relief across the entire eye surface. It's a perfect product to keep tucked away into your handbag. Oh, okay, so it's going to help with, like, you know, when you're out and you're shopping and you get wind in your eyes and stuff like that. It is a bit of a nuisance when that happens. So yeah, I'm wondering what this is actually quite like. So we have like a dropper bottle, and it comes like that. Super handy just to pop in your handbag. And it says it's alcohol everywhere. So this is like it's got like 3 months expiry on it, so I'm not going to open it yet till I actually do need it. Yeah, so I suppose you just drop them into your eyes. Really quite simple. It's logic, isn't it? Right, so there we go. What do I think of this month's box? Well, that is actually quite, I would say it's quite nice. I don't know, I haven't had a look at it, but we'll just sniff it. No need to open it. Quite nice. I do like that. I mean, I do want to bronze my arms at some point. And yeah, so then we got this sheet mask, which is always handy just to have a nice pamper night, pamper session, that sort of thing. It really is, when you're watching a movie, of course, or you just want to pamper at night, which is really quite nice. This is quite handy to clean your brushes, because you do need to clean them. I like the colours of this one. This is really good eyeshadow palette. I like that. There's not one thing I don't like. I love the scent of that one. That's really nice. Yeah. Overall, my thing is, with this box, I say it's amazing. It's a really good box for the price you pay for it. So yeah, there you go, Roccabox. If you like this video, thumbs up, like, share. Please subscribe to my channel. Press the little bell button. That will notify you when I upload, because I'm going to start uploading a lot more videos. You'll see a lot more of me, because I'm starting to feel a bit better. Yeah, something's happened. So okay, so it's a bye bye from me, and love you all. Bye.